You ever meet someone and you can't quite explain why they seem so attractive? It's not that they look like a model. It's not even about their outfit. It's something else, something subtle, something about their energy, their aura. And most times, it comes down to how they take care of themselves. Let's be real. Hygiene, it's not just about being clean. It's about being intentional, about showing up for yourself in the little ways consistently. Because when you do, you become the kind of person people are drawn to without even trying. So let's talk, not just about soap and water. Let's get into the small, everyday hygiene habits that genuinely make you more attractive inside and out. And not for the sake of other people, but for the energy you carry when you treat yourself like someone who matters. First off, let's talk about breath. Now, I know it sounds obvious, but listen, clean breath is one of those things people will never mention to you, but they'll always notice. It's not enough to brush your teeth twice a day. You've got to floss, you've got to clean your tongue, you've got to stay hydrated. Because dry mouth, that's bacteria's playground. And honestly, you don't need the most expensive mouthwash, you need consistency. Minty breath speaks before you even say a word. Now let's go a bit deeper. Body odor, this one is personal. Literally, everyone has a unique body scent. But when you learn to manage yours, you start to smell intentional. Not like you're masking something, but like you're someone who knows herself. So yes, shower daily, but pay attention to the areas that get easily overlooked. Behind the ears, back of the neck, under the breasts, belly button, even your feet. All these little corners matter. And when you step out smelling like fresh skin and subtle scent, people lean in. Speaking of scent, can we talk about fragrance layering? You don't need to drown yourself in perfume to smell good. In fact, that's usually what makes people step back. But when you learn to layer, clean skin, scented lotion, a spritz of body mist, and a dab of perfume on pulse points, whew, it's not just a smell. It's a memory you leave behind. Another thing that often gets ignored, hands. Yes, your hands say a lot about you. Clean nails, moisturized knuckles. Even short, unpolished nails can look elegant when they're taken care of. Your hands touch the world. Let them speak softness. Now let's move on to something we often skip when we're tired, feet. Clean feet are non-negotiable. You don't need a weekly pedicure, you need warm water, a scrub, and moisturizer. And please, if you wear open-toed anything, this is your sign. Your toes deserve respect. Let's slide over to hair, and not just the hair on your head. I'm talking about the little grooming habits that elevate your whole vibe. Plucking that one chin hair that always shows up like it pays rent. Shaving or trimming, if that's your style. Maintaining your brows, even moisturizing your scalp if it gets dry. When you care for the details, you carry a presence that says, I don't just show up, I prepare to show up. But here's the one a lot of people miss. Fabric hygiene. Yes, I'm talking about your clothes. You can smell fresh and still wear a shirt that holds yesterday's sweat. Or a bonnet that hasn't been washed in a month, or socks that low-key smell like regret. Being attractive isn't just about what you do to you, it's about keeping the things you use close to your body clean. Wash your pillowcases often, switch out your towels, even your bed sheets hold energy. And trust me, you'll sleep better when everything feels and smells fresh. Another powerful habit, oral care beyond the basics. Whitening strips, tongue scrapers, even oil pulling if you're into natural methods. A clean, white smile will light up your face and your confidence, and it's not about perfection, it's about effort. There's a quiet kind of beauty in someone who takes care of what they've been given. Let's not forget about hydration. It's the quiet queen of hygiene. You can do everything else, but if you're dehydrated, your skin will tell on you, your breath, your energy, even your mood. Water flushes, water softens. Water literally brings you back to life, so drink it, sip it, carry it with you like your peace depends on it, because in a way, it does. Now, this one might surprise you. The way you smell when you sweat. You can actually influence it. What you eat, what you wear, how you clean yourself, it all impacts your natural scent. Foods like garlic and onions, delicious, but strong. Sweating in synthetic fabrics can trap smells, so wear breathable materials. Eat clean more often. Let your sweat smell like someone who moves with intention. And finally, confidence. Yes, I know. It's not a hygiene habit in the traditional sense, but confidence is hygiene of the soul. When you feel clean, look clean, smell clean, you carry yourself differently. You don't shrink. You don't apologize for taking up space. You become magnetic. Not because you're trying, but because you are. So if you're wondering what actually makes people lean in, smile back, remember your presence, it's the way you take care of yourself. Not once in a while, but in the small, faithful ways every day. Attractiveness? It starts with how you treat you. So don't just rush through your hygiene. Make it a ritual, a quiet love letter to your future self. Because trust me, that energy, it's the real glow.